What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back in with your girl Tasha and YNS Hair. Guys, my friend had to come all the way to Alabama to slay me, guys. I wanted to get a wig put on, so she came to pamper me, guys. Her name is Shanae Smith. She also has an Instagram, Slay by Bree. Guys, hit her up. She is the baddest, guys. So if you're ever in need of a wig, hit her up. She is bad to the bone, guys. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on all your notifications so that you won't miss an upload from your girl. You are where you need to be. Leave comments down below, guys, and also I'll leave her information in the bio. Enjoy the video.
Your body so fast on let ou move en slow motion, bet it that way. Ven nan kou ya doum jwen potion. Let ou work. Let ou descend be babidi babidi ba. Let even be dirt. Let ou gwa serre on tan kou yon oula. Baby, do the work. To me I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a la. I'm in the cafe, my da. Ou se yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon bad man, tellement son hot gal. Your body so fast on let ou move en slow motion, bet it that way. Ben nan kou ya doum jwen potion. Let ou work. Let ou descend be babidi ba. Let even be dirt. Let ou gwa serre on tan kou yon oula. Baby, do the work. To me I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a la. I'm in the cafe, my da.
it takes is 3 claps. Nigga, pay attention.
Yo,